Okay, now. So now check the output. So the download files, I got that images. Let's me check. So this is what it will be. So now the next thing is banner. So banner, what I will do is you need to guys just remember. So this entire navigation is mentioned in the nav element. So now for the images, the full entire hero image, I'm going to give it as a section. So I'm going to give it as a section. So in this section, I have a that is class. Customized class will be there. So I'm giving a name as BG image, and the ID it's going to be a home. Okay, so inside this div class, that image is going to be a container fluid. So just mention this. Inside this, I have two things. So div class, this row. Okay, in this row, I want that image to be in the column. That is column wise total 12 to be occupied, right? So we know the grid classes. So grid classes is nothing but what happens. So it will take all the 12 columns. So here I will mention a div class. So div class equals to column large in the 12. Okay. And for medium, if it is a medium device, then what happens? Same thing. And for the small also 12, and for extra small that is also 12. Okay, and I want something to be displayed here. So whatever the text, so for that I have created some customized css file. Also I'll let you know so what I'm going to do for bg image and hero text. Okay. And at the bottom, so we'll be having giving some heading. So heading again here classes hero title. So this is the text I've given. So here I will say, hi, this is Harika. So some names, okay. So some names I'm providing. So hi, this is Harika. And for what I will do is I'll give some text. So for that also, I'm going to give the some customized class. Okay, for customize, what you will do is you have created some different folder, right? For CSS, in that place you need to mention. Okay, so in this class, so hero underscore dash. Okay, so this was a name, and I'm saying like I am a freelancer. And okay, I'm a freelancer. I'm just giving this information. So next, what I have to do is I need to close all these. Okay. So how many divs has been closed? So two. Okay. Everything is closed. So now for this things for the BG image, where is the BG image? What are the classes you are going to define? Just go here in this style.css. So in this place you need to do so dot BG image. Okay, so here you need to mention so what you're going to do. So here the height it's gonna be some 100 VH, and for background I'm giving a background image. Okay, so background hyphen so background colon URL. So in this URL only we'll be specifying which image you are going to display, right? So the image, so here I'm going to get the image of hero image. Okay, so which is it is in the which file? Images. So what I will do is images slash, and what is the file name? So hero images. Click on this. Okay, save this file, and then background hyphen size. In the size, I need it to be covered. So entire thing should be covered, and then a portion is relative. Relative in the sense it's going to be a parent, and something is going to be flowed on that image. Okay. So next thing is hero title. Hero title here. The font size can be 4.5 em rem, and then I'm giving that is font size only, it differs, and dots hero desk. So in this place again I'm giving a font size. So guys, wherever you go, you take a projects, just go with the REMs. Don't go with the pixels, because REM plays a really gives a good presentation when you're giving a website. Okay, so users will be more attractive to the REM. So just go with the REM units. And next, dot hero underscore text. So here I need some text alignment. So text align should be center, and then this gonna be a absolute. So image is my relative, that is my parent, and this text is going to be placed it over that image. Okay, so colon absolute, and then where it should get placed in the top 50 percentage. The left it should take some 50 percentage. Okay, from the image. So I'll show you so how it will be. And transform what happens, so it used to translate, right? So it will translate to 50 percentage. So the text will get somewhat changed. So here I will give you some 50 percentage comma minus 50 percentage. So just you're going to play with the numbers and the properties. That's it. Color, and I'm giving it as a white color. So now we'll save and execute and check so how the output will be. So here what it will be. So see here the text, I think the text color has not been applied. Let me check what is the problem. So hero text. So I have mentioned the title and these things. I have not mentioned the text. Okay, better I'll go here and add it. Hero underscore text. Because now you can see again there is some confusion. Mm, so for this also I need. So okay, better I'll place it here in the column. So we need to change this to be this one. I'll remove this. Okay. So this is how it will be. So hi, this is, and I am freelancer like this. You can also create a portfolio like this. And the next one is will design about how to add your about section. So we have mentioned some home and about, right? So first we'll go with the about. So here I'll change this to about. Okay, in this about, again you need to mention it using what? You need to get the help of section. Okay, so another section you created here. So section. So in this section, first one is just mention the ID. So ID to be about. So in div, the classes going to be a container. So in that container only you are going to put the about sessions. Okay, so an empty form and pt form. Okay. Just close this. And here, first I am going to give the heading. Okay, so heading is so class is mentioned as text center, and here I'm giving about me, so like this. Okay, and next one is, so I'm going to create a row. Okay, so in that row, how I will mention the about section. So let's check. So whatever you create, just go with the row and column. So previously I mentioned row, right? So here also I'm going to give it as a row. So div class row, and then I need some margin top to be 4. Just close this off, and within this we'll be having a column. So div class call lg of 4. Here I need some images. Okay, so in this column, so I have mentioned div, that is row. I need to split it as a 12, right? So previously I mentioned as a 12, and it's for lg alone, but for images I need the each and every device should be the same. Here just copy this. So after I have given 4, so now I need 8, right? So totally 12. So in this place, I need to import an image. Okay, so I need some image. So image src. So where I'm going to get is images folder. Just go to the images folders. In that, I'll have something called as about.jpg. I need that file, and the class is image about page. So this is a customized one. We'll see what we are going to do in that. Okay, and next is in this DAV8. So first one is image. The second one is I need some content to be displayed. Okay, for content, let's take it from, okay, so just come down. So here, after closing this paragraph, okay, paragraph. Okay, and next is I'm creating one more, paragraph, that is div content, that is row. So better I'll copy this. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Just copy this within this container itself. Okay, I need one more row. So in that row, I need some top margin to be 3, and the column size is no me for medium. For medium size, it's going to be 6, and for this also, this is a medium 6. Okay, so in this, what I will do is I need to mention my details. What are the things I've done and what I am. Okay, what are the occupations I'm doing? So everything. So everything I'm going to list it off. So here unordered list. So in this unordered list, I'll list some names. So list of elements. So here a name, Harika, and give some age, some details. Okay. So age is 20, 18. Here I will mention it as an occupation. Just remove this. Okay, and come down. So here also you can mention some details at the bottom. So like 6 right? So here I will give it as a paragraph. So let it be like this. So now I need to add only one thing, that is image about page. So here I mentioned it, right? For this class, what I will do is just copy this, go to .css, the file, and dot file name. So it is class name. Once you given this, you need to give the width. So width is 100 percentage. Just run the file. Just come down, you can see. So this is how it will be. The images will be there and the text will be there, and the images will be there and the text will be there. So how we are going to segregate the terms. Okay. So the column wise they are segregating. And now we will see how we can do this. 1 minute. What I will do is just copy this one more time, and then here I'm going to mention this to simple row. Nothing is, I'm not going to mention any column. So here empty is to 3. Let's check now. I hope guys everyone understood this concept, yes or no? Easy how to create a pages. Close one DAV content. So if I click on this, it comes in. Okay. So now next part is just alignment alone. Just check on the alignment. Okay, it is easy only. So next is I'm going to make a service section. So let's change this to be a service. I can also change this to be service. Just come down. So in this place again, I'm going to create a section. Okay. Uh, just give you a section. And the ID is what? Service. That what's that's what I mentioned, I think so. The classes. Okay, as of now, I don't want any class here. Just close it off. And next to this, I'm creating a div container. I want this to be a container. Okay, just close this also. Here, I'm creating some text. Okay, heading and the class. I'm giving a customized class for. Okay, I just giving a predefined class that is text center, and the name is services. So once it is done, here div class row. So in this row, I'm going to split this to be 4 and 8. Okay. So div class column lg comma 4 and the margin top to be 4 again. Okay. And in this, I'll specify some two classes. Okay. So div. So card is a customized one. So let's see what we can do there. Service card. So in this place, what I'll do is, so first I'm creating one container, and then inside that I need some card bodies. Okay. So for that, I'm giving that, and next one is I need some icons for that. So see here, you want to get a icon, so just go to Font Awesome icons and go here, just click on this, click on this icons, and you can see so many icons. Just click any one. For this you need to sign in. Okay, sign in. Once you sign in to your specified mail id, you will get a link, the kit code. So using that kit code only you will be able to access, because in this place if I suppose click on this, you can see some pro, right? For pro means you will not be able to access. For free version only you can do. Okay, that it will be identified using that kit code. So just you need to get the kit code. Okay, in this I'm using the I, and the class is going to be a fast service icons and for clock. So I need some clock symbol. Just close it. And next one is I need some heading. Again, the card body first is icon. The next one is heading. So H4 class card hyphen title empty hyphen 3. Just close this. Giving so here is my projects. Okay. So like that you can implement, and you can give a paragraph. So paragraph, I can give some class for this. There's a card text. So this is and all this card body and text center, card text and all. It's a predefined one, so which you already discussed in card while creating a card. So how we'll do that? So we'll set some images, and the heading will body will be there, and header will be there, and title and the text will be there, right? So that's what you will be doing, correct? One second. Okay, guys. So here in the card text will be there, and then the next thing is I need some margin space. So empty 3, and just copy this text, pasting it here. Okay, and just come down. So here you can see the closed container. So now I need one more thing. One more that is, so as of now we have 4, right? So like this I need some 3 things. So 1 2 3. So sorry, one second. 1 2 3. Just copy this and paste it for 3 times. That's it. So 4 4 8, and 8 plus 4 is totally how much? That is 12. So one time it has been. Yeah, good. So now we'll check. And also we need to add one more thing, right? So that is nothing but called card service text and things. So I'll add that. Just go to the style.css file. Here you need to add. So dot services text. So in the card one. So what I need is, so the height should be some 280 pixel, and the cursor is going to be a pointer. And dot services icon. Here I need a font size, should be some 36 pixel. Text align, going to be a center. With this 100 percentage. And one more customized thing is dot card title. So in the card title we already know it is a predefined one. So as of now they are adding it to be a center, the title. So text align colon center. And we can also set some hover. So card hover. It's going to be dot card colon hover, and the service. Okay, for both of this, what happens? I need some color changes. Color, it's going to be some pink. Okay. And for the service text, okay, for the service text, I need some hover. That's a border. So that border should be highlighted when I hover the service text. Solid, the value I'll give it as a pink. So now you go to this index. So just check services text. and then we call some as services icon and card title, service text. Yes. I'll run this file. So just click on service. You can see some services. So this is the icon, a clock icon which I specified. So when I hover this, I can see some pink color, right, for both the things. So that's what it will be. Okay, this is how we'll be doing, and you have to sectionate it. Okay. The next is how to add the background, dark background color to the nav bar on the page scroll. Okay. So if you want to do that, you can also do it. So this is how it will be the project. Okay, and also you can link the footers. So if you are trying to link some contact me, that kind of information, that can also be done. So I'll tell you how to do the contact section, because in most of the website definitely will use this, right? So what I will do is, so here I need to change this to be a contact. This name gonna be contact. Come down. So in this place, okay, in this place, we are going to add a section. So section. So what is the ID? It is contact. Just close this off. And in this place, div class container. So I need some margin top to be some 3 spaces. Okay. And I'm going to add some customized things. So contact content. Close this off. And heading is class text hyphen center. Contact me. Okay. So here also I'm going to split this column to be at two things. So what the first one we need to add? So div class is equals to what? Row. And margin spaces. And next to that, I'm going to split this one to be a two columns. Okay. So div class, the column is lg hyphen 4. So 4 is will take some 3 sections, right? Or we can take it as 4 and 8. So in this place, I need to link something. Okay. So to link it, I need some embedded. So just to take some file from the online, I'll make it as a 6. 1 second, guys. Give me one. Okay, so here in this column 6, what I will do is two things. One is contact. So how we are going to contact. So for example, I created a website. So some special people is going to contact me to approach for freelancing project. So they need some contact details, right? So I need their contact details who have visited my website. For that, I need some separate column, and for the other, it's a contact place. How you can reach out to me? Any special, address you have, just you can denote it there. For that purpose, we are creating this. Okay, just no, come here. I have two things. Just copy this, place it here. Okay. So in this one, div in this style. So style it's going to be a maximum width, max width is some 100 percentage. Okay. And then I'm giving some overflow. Overflow should be hidden, and the color colon red. And the width is some 500 pixels. And the height is some 500 pixels. Okay. And now I need to embed something. Okay. Embed in the sense the address I'm going to link. So div id, I'm giving some id name as embed map hyphen canvas. And what is the style? So style, I need it to be the height of 100 percentage, and the width going to be 100 percentage. The maximum width is also 100 percentage. And after this, creating this, I need a iframe. So iframe is nothing but we already know, right? So to map things, what I'll do, just go to the Google map, click on the maps, click on the any places you want, just click on that and click on share. Here you have a embed map, right? Just go here and copy that HTML file. Okay. And here you need to mention that. So if you need to mention the width and height in a different way, you can change it off in this place. Okay. So width I need it to be 100 percentage. 100 percentage. I don't want any border. That's it. So this is how it will be. And to link something, so if you want to contact or something like that, you need a different thing. So let's check as of now. So you can see here, that is information which is listed here. So next you are going to add some link possible. Okay. So the form also, what you will do, so you have to use a form control. Okay. So this is a simple website that we have designed. So like this, you are going to design forms and everything. You can take any sort of links. Example, I'll give you some link for you for project creation. Okay, this is an official website. So I'll put it in the chat box. Okay, and the next one is, so there are some projects. Just click on this. So here you can see many different forms. Okay, this is only using a HTML and CSS. Okay, so I will also share this. So please make a use of it and create a front end page. Okay, are you guys confident? So will you be able to create a front end HTML, CSS, and JavaScript Bootstrap? Yes or no? Yes, Sayamala, Purnima, Begum. Is it easy for you to create a front end alone? Just go through that link. I hope you guys are you can hear my voice, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just tell me